Hello guys, Dr. Patrick Price here, and I got some good information for you guys to know. A lot of you ask questions about other alternatives besides using just an alcohol spray to spray on the skin. As you know, your skin has like an acid mantle. You have an oily residue on your skin. And as far as your skin, this is a coating to protect. It's an acidic coating to protect from invasions of bacteria, fungus, mold, these things that we get on our skin. And so as you use alcohol and these abrasive type solutions, you take the acid mantle, the protective coating, off of your skin. If you're cleaning your face, before I was a doctor years ago, I was with a skincare company, and I learned a really lot about pH balancing your skin. And I know the skin has a very acidic layer to it to protect from these things. And so if you were destroying that layer, removing it, you're removing part of your protection to your skin. So here's some alternatives for you. These are things I've had around for a while, but I usually don't talk about them much. But there is a spray and wound ointment. Can you see this? Nutribiotic. Now what they know from these type of sprays is tea tree oil has been around a long time. And if you've ever seen somebody that gets ringworms, have you seen anybody? Well, I've seen several. Ringworms is like something will drive you insane. Tea tree oil is one of the few things naturally that will work against ringworms. You may have to get on like a diflucan antifungal eventually if it's really bad, but tea tree oil is a good alternative to use first. So what this has is the grapefruit seed extract. And grapefruit seed is known to be strong against yeast, candida, molds, things like this. That's why when we use products to take internally, we know grapefruit seed is one of the things that is the #1 killer for candida, guys. So when I'm working for candida patients, they're definitely going to take a pill for them. So for using a spray, you want to just spray this on your hands, you want to spray it on your skin, but a cut, an abrasion. So when I go backpacking, off camping, things like this is one thing that's in my kit always. All right, these are really inexpensive products, very effective. I've used them, I've watched the results of them, and they work without giving you any kind of side effects. Another thing is a nasal spray. Can you see this, guys? Okay, once again, grapefruit seed nasal sprays. You're looking for a way to irrigate your sinuses, to kill bacteria, to kill things that don't need to be there. Naturally, you're going to have bacteria always in your sinuses anyway, but nasal sprays and grapefruit seed work wonderful. Eardrops. Any kids got ear infections out there? Once again, grapefruit seed extract. Now, I think this one also has a little tea tree oil in it also. But the tea tree oil here in the spray, it also has a little bit of lemon citric, the lemon essential oil. And lemon, as you know, you can clean your counters at home with citrus stuff like this from lemons. So the last one is a actual real skin ointment. I got a little triple pack here. Can you see this? All right. So skin ointment. As you see vitamin A, C, D, things like that in there. But what you look for is has lysine. Okay. And if you know about lysine, the lysine is taking the granular of lysine, the protein. Take granulars with lysine. The protein of lysine helps antiviral activity. So anytime patients in the past had any of these kind of herpes viruses on the skin, other skin stuff, I've always used L-lysine with granulars. So if you're looking for a skin ointment, maybe you get some kind of rash. Those of you working out get real sweaty, get rashes in places you don't want to scratch or irritate yourself. I gotta tell you, put the ointment on the rashes, any kind of mold, any kind of skin abrasions, and the cuts and scrapes. Once again, we remember as kids what our grandparents did to us. They chased us around with the little forms of iodine. Anybody out there had iodine used on their cuts? And that burned quite a lot. But once again, it was effective. So today you can still use iodine, hydrogen peroxide, things that are over the counter. But why not get something that works quite well, spray and wound, okay, solutions like these, grapefruit seed, tea tree oil, and extract of lemon from the essential oil. So that's a brief update, guys. There's some things that we keep in stock because people are always looking for alternative things. And if you want to stock up your house, be like your prepper mode here, these are things you definitely want to keep around. Because in my opinion, I've used over-the-counter substance, and these natural substances have worked quite better than over-the-counter medications. So you have to find out for yourself, but when you ask a question, I give you an answer, and I'm Dr. Price today, answering your questions by giving you solutions for natural care. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time.